Hello, everybody. My name is Graham Elwood, and you are watching the Political Vigilante. Well, I know a lot of indie media people have covered this, but I wanted to talk about it as well. Yesterday, Edward Snowden put this up on Twitter. Let's look at that right now, ladies and gentlemen. He said 7 years ago, as the news declared I was being charged as a criminal for speaking the truth, I never imagined that I would live to see our courts condemn the NSA's activities as unlawful, and in the same ruling credit me for exposing them. And yet that day has arrived. So this was posted out by the ACLU. You see it right here. This is their Twitter feed as of September 2nd. Breaking. A federal appeals court just ruled that the NSA's bulk collection of America's phone records, this is something Snowden talked about, he blew the whistle on this 7 years ago, was illegal. This ruling, which confirms what we have always known, is a victory for our privacy rights. What does this mean? I mean, if you scroll down, you see, does this mean will they stop now? Thank you, Edward Snowden. Somebody wrote, not just Snowden, Bill Binney blew the whistle on it, and it was before Snowden, just that Binney's whistleblowing wasn't publicized like Snowden. So many know about him. Yeah, this is something Bill Binney has talked about. Bill Binney has been on Jimmy's show, and Bill Binney has talked about this exclusively. So this is big. What does it mean? What is the fallout going to mean? Boy, I don't know. Time is going to tell on that, but I will say this. This could be, I don't know what's motivated. This is just my theory right now. This is just my theory. So the neoliberals love pretending that Obama had nothing to do with this. So 7 years ago, when Snowden was the whistleblower on this and had to go into exile, who was president? Oh, Barack Obama. It's 2013, right? Bill Binney, that was under, I believe, Barack Obama. Maybe it was Bush. But again, the refusal of the neoliberals to look at all of the privacy that was given away from Obama. Now, everybody was mad on the left about Bush and the PATRIOT Act, but we're okay with the fact that people like Joe Biden and Hillary Clinton voted for the PATRIOT Act and voted for the Iraq War. They didn't seem to have a problem with that because Obama came in and had really nice tweets and was a polite gentleman and a really very presidential, and there's something to be said for being presidential, while he dropped more bombs than Bush. My question is, I'm glad this ruling happened. I'm glad that this happened. My question is, is because the neoliberals and the people on the left hate Trump so much that they're then going to because Trump's not going to pardon Snowden or Julian Assange. So, and like when I see protesters in the streets, like in Portland, they got snatched up by federal agents in unmarked vans and everyone was screaming at Trump. Okay, yeah, anyone who works for the federal government is working for the president. And right now that president is Trump. But I hope they all understood that was because of the NDAA, the National Defense Authorization Act that was signed by Barack Obama in December of 2011, is why those cops were allowed to do that. So I don't know if it's just because everything's the defund the police and the protests that people are so outraged that they're like, it made its way up to the courts and the courts are like, this isn't, you can't do this anymore. I don't know, but it's a big win. Whatever it is, it's a big win. And the fact that Snowden tweeted this out is huge, and this is what this country's done with Snowden, with Chelsea Manning, with Julian Assange, who has a trial coming up on September 7th. But the little victories like this help. It's like when the pipelines got shut down a month ago. This is why we got to keep fighting and we got to pressure people as much as we can. Because if you just go, it's all corrupt, it's all deep state, there's no chance at anything, then you're right, nothing will happen. Yes, we have a very corrupt system. We have a system that, there's been, as Chris Hedges says, a 4 decades long corporate coup of our court system, of both our political parties, of schools, of the media, of everything. But every once in a while, something like this can happen. So it's nice to see a little victory every now and again. Shave your knuckles for justice. And we'll keep following what happens with this, and I'm reaching out to Tariq Haddad about having him come on and explain to us what's going on and with the upcoming Julian Assange trial. But this is big, right? Federal court just ruled that the NSA's bulk collection of Americans' phones records was illegal. Got to fight them any way we can, and a victory is a victory. A win is a win. Savor the wins, even the little ones. Savor the wins. Thanks for watching the show. Hey everyone, great ways to support the show are go to patreon.com/Graham Elwood, where you get bonus content for as little as $2 a month, or rockfin.com/Graham Elwood, a blockchain cryptocurrency platform. That's the future. Also, GrahamElwood.com, where all my merchandise is on sale and ships exclusively with the United States Post Office. Like my Vigilante Volume 2, The Dark Knight. We only made 50 of them. They're going fast. Go to GrahamElwood.com to support the show. I'm on Venmo and PayPal, P.O. Box, all of that, GrahamElwood.com.